Thank you. This is such a very nice hotel. So,
Yeah,
hi,
welcome
Cozy.
to Hi Cozy, everybody.
And it's affordable. And I
Yeah,
hope
yeah,
to see you again.
Okay,
Like,
okay.
when I come back, I'll for sure stay again here.
Okay, okay.
Yes, in this hotel.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, it's nice and you guys are so friendly. Like, you always welcome us with, hello! when we go out, bye! Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Ni hao! This is Dave the Kuripo Traveler at nandito tayo ngayon sa Shanghai, China. This is our first time in China. China talaga, China, and our first day here in Shanghai. So galing tayong Beijing and ngayon mag-adventure naman tayo dito sa Shanghai. Share ko sa inyo kung saan kayo pwede magstay. Kung solo traveler kayo and naghanap kayo ng munang accommodation in the heart of the city, walking distance lang to sa Nanjing Road, around 7-minute walk. Tapos malapit lang to sa mga subway station. So ganun din 7-minute walk. Super nice ng location niya. 100/10. Konti na lang yung nilakad natin galing sa subway station. This is Hi Cozy. Iko-comment ko yung link sa baba. Okay? This is Hi Cozy. Wait, papakita ko nga yung ano sa Agoda. Ito siya guys. Oh, Hi Cozy Youth Hostel East Nanjing Road and the Bond. Ito, nabook natin siya for 1,166 pesos nung nagbook tayo. Super nice na accommodation. Kung magbubook kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, you can use my promo code DAVEAGODA, capital letters yan, and make sure to redeem on Agoda mobile app. Punta lang kayo sa deals page sa baba para maka 10% off kayo. Alam nyo bang pwede rin kayo magbook ng activities and tours sa Agoda? Use my promo code KURIPOTAGODA for 5% off. I-click nyo na lang din yung link sa comment section to redeem. Yung clue code naman natin na Dave Ginukluk, one-time redemption na lang siya. So kung wala na kayong ma-redeem, you can explore Agoda. Punta lang kayo dito sa Deals tab. Tapos, dito sa coupons. Ayan, dyan sa coupons, i-type nyo yung name ko, Dave Agoda. Dave Agoda. Tapos, pero na-redeem ko na to. Alright, yan. Tapos, automatic na yung lalabas sa checkout. Tapos, pwede na kayo maghanap ng hotel. Okay? Actually, maliit lang talaga siya. Pero, ang gusto ko sa accommodation na to, kahit hostel siya, diba, yung isang room, shared lang by 2 people. So, hindi marami sa isang kwarto. Tapos, may private toilet. Diba? Pero dito muna tayo. Nag-request ako na sa baba. So, provided naman yung towel, guys. Tapos, may sleepers din. And then, ayan, nagcha-charge na ako. Pang ano lang siya, Type-C, tapos USB. Nandyan, guys, yung locker. Okay, may locker dyan. Parang di ata kasya yung bag ko. So, feeling ko yung bag ko dito lang yan. Okay, dito ako sa baba. So, pillow. And then, ito, comforter. Here's a comforter. And then, ito yung toilet. Ito yung sink. May blower tayo dito. Ayan. May shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Ito yung shower, guys. May hot and cold. There you go. Ayan yung shower. Tapos, ito yung toilet bowl. Yan siya. Okay. Ayan. Okay. At least kita nyo na. Tapos ito may mirror dito. Tapos may wifi sila guys. Pero wag tayong kumonek. Kasi kung kumonek tayo, baka ma-detect ng Beijing o ng China na nasa China tayo. Tapos hindi dapat yun ma-detect kasi baka ma-block yung apps natin. Okay? Hindi ako kumukonect dito ng mga wifi. Talagang eSIM lang talaga. Pati yung other devices ko para hindi ma-detect na nasa China ako. Kasi kapag ma-detect yung location ko, baka hindi na ako magamit ng social networking sites. Hindi na ako makapag-Facebook. Pwede itong i-pull down, okay? Para kung matutulog tayo, ay gusto natin ng privacy. May sampayan pa pala dito guys. Oh. Tapos, access card yung gamit natin dito. Nandito siya sa 6th floor, yung reception. Tapos, may luggage storage. Ito yung common area, guys. This is the common area. Tapos, may ano dito. Vending machine. Vending machine for snacks. Tapos dito yung reception sa 6th floor. Okay? Tara. Bye-bye. Let's go. Ay, taray. Hindi ko sure kung part 2 ng ano, pero may gym. Tara, baba na tayo. Ito pala yung baba ng ating accommodation. Dilim na pala. Ayan, High Cozy Hostel. Ito siya. Tara. Dire-diretso lang guys ay Nanjing Road na. Doon tayo magpunta. Yung Nanjing Road, minake sure ko talaga na doon ako makakapag-book ako around that area kasi yan yung number 1 commercial street in China. Tapos, daming shops, may makainan around. So, perfect talaga for tourists. So, ako, mas gusto ko yung mga touristy areas talaga, ha? Kasi, lalo na yung mga buhay pa sa gabi. Ito yung area ng accommodation natin. So, very old China siya. Pero, pag dire-diretso lang, ibang mundo na. Kasi mga 7-minute walk to Nanjing Road. May tindahan ng mga prutas. Ito na guys, malapit na tayo sa Nanjing Road. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya ka-bustling. Siguro mas magiging bustling ito sa gabi. Ano na 5:19. Dumilim na. Dumilim-dilim versus kanina nung nandito tayo. Wow! Ay, yes. Kaya maganda yung accommodation natin. Super walking distance lang. Dire-diretso lang. Nandito na tayo, guys. Wow. Mas maraming tao ngayon versus kanina nung dumating tayo. Kayo, gusto nyo ba ng accommodation sa mga touristy area? In fair naman, hindi maingay sa area natin kahit malapit lang yung tourist spot, 'di ba? Ito yung common area ng hotel, guys. Alright? Guys, kapag magpupunta pala kayo ng winter, okay lang ito. Like, itong tawag dito, vacuum compression storage bag. I-comment yung link sa baba. Ayan, naka-flat natin siya. Ito yung vacuum. Okay. Pa-check out na us, guys. Tapos, share ko lang. Ito, iligay ko yung link sa baba. Tapos, yung toilet pala dito ay Japanese. So, may mainit and warm. Automatic. Which is very nice. Okay lang sa akin tumambay. Guys, eto ha, nandito yung locker for your reference. Kasya naman siguro yung maleta ko dyan or not. Pero malaki siya. Malaki siya. Mukhang kasya naman yung jumbo na maleta. Kasi yung roommate ko, yung maleta niya nasa taas eh. Binuhat niya. So, nag-request lang talaga tayo na dito tayo sa baba ilagay. Final answer, guys. So, yung toilet bowl natin ay... Tcharan! Automatic yan. I mean, tawag dito. Yung high-tech, yung Japanese style. Pag sinabi kong parang Japan at high-tech, ito yung automatic, nag-flash ng automatically, umiinit, very warm. Ayun, ang ganda. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. Ang ganda ng room natin kasi nandito lang sa may reception. And then, ito na yung common area. And then, nandito yung luggage storage. Pwede naman, guys. So, tara. Goodbye na talaga sa ating accommodation. You're shy. Okay. Yeah, because I want to show how friendly.
Okay.
Because I want to show how friendly yeah, Chinese are. Hello.
I think I need makeup.
No. You're fine. Like I'm saying, people in China are so friendly.
Thank you.
Yeah, and you guys, you can speak English.
Yeah,
Yes,
but
you can
not
speak-
good.
No, it's okay because we are able to communicate with each other.
Okay.
Yeah, you're pretty.
So shy.
Yeah, so shy. Thank you so much.
Good person.
Wow, good person.
To 点赞 how do you say
Oh,
关注点
subscribe?
Yeah.
Okay, you plug me. Okay, thank you. Do you have TikTok, Instagram?
Yeah, I have TikTok.
TikTok, YouTube.
I don't have YouTube
Oh,
because
okay,
I don't
okay.
have VPN.
Okay, so VPN is required.
That's big problem.
Yes, that's required here
So
in
everybody
China.
to follow this.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Luna.
Luna?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. This is such a very nice hotel. So,
Yeah.
hi,
Welcome
Cozy.
to Hi Cozy, everybody. Yeah.
And I like it here. This is so true. Very
So-
cozy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, cozy. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
But comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable. Thank you,
Yeah.
Luna. Nice meeting
So-
you. I'm going home tonight. And I
Yeah,
hope
yeah,
to
yeah.
see you again.
Okay.
Like,
okay.
when I come back, I'll for sure stay again here.
Okay.
Yes, in this hotel.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, it's nice and you guys are so friendly. Like, you always welcome us with, hello! when we go out, bye! And it's the first time that I encountered the hotel like this. Hello! Can you guess, guys? Girls, which country I am from? Thailand? Go! What's her name?
Hi, my name is Melody.
Melody!
Yes.
Yeah, we're vlogging my roommate. Yes. I'm having, yeah.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Can you guess which country I am from?
Oh.
My country.
Oh,
My country.
my country.
Yeah. Can you guess which country?
这个啥呀，露娜
Thailand,
Thailand.
Vietnam. Can you guess?
Oh.
Yes. Guess.
Thailand.
No.
Malaysia.
No.
Philippines.
Wow. Philippines, correct. You're so great, Melody.
Right?
Sorry?
Right?
Yes, correct. Philippines. Do you have many guests from the Philippines or no? Oh, you have Filipino guests?
Yeah,
Oh, really? I thought it's just me. Okay, she's shy already. Okay. It's okay. Thank you, but you are pretty girl. So thank you so much. Yeah. Salamat. Salamat in Philippines. Salamat. I'm from the Philippines, not Thailand. Salamat. Shishe. Yes. In fair guys, may dispenser dito, okay? Tapos ito, may mga mugs. And then, may ice machine. And then may coffee, pero kailangang bayaran. Tapos ito may ref. And then dyan yung basurahan. Tapos may microwave here. Yun. So this is a nice common area. Tapos every night dito ako nagtatambay talaga, tumatambay kasi may mga dito look saksakan yan. May menu din sila for breakfast, guys. Actually 7 AM to 9 PM yung food nila. May breakfast here pero kailangang bayaran. Hindi na ako nagbayad. Tapos ito yung other rooms. May board games din pala dito na di ko sure kung paano yung gamitin. Tapos may pocket wifi. Tawag dito. Power bank. Nag-load ako dun. And then may chess. And then ito. Thank you. Tapos here may laruan din. And then here may common toilet. And may laundry. Pero kailangan magbayad. We don't smoke. Pero ito guys, may smoking area. Kung gusto nyo ng headspace, pwede kayo dito. And ito mga building here. May gym din pala dito guys. Super nice. Ayun guys, na-share ko na yung accommodation natin dito sa Shanghai. Specifically, nandito tayo sa Hai Cozy Youth Hostel, East Nanjing Road. Tapos ito yung lobby guys, okay? Ito yung lobby. Dito tayo papasok. Tapos 6th floor siya. Ang saya ng experience natin kasi we were able to meet a new friend. Ayun, si Andre from Spain. Just right in time kasi magpi-Philippines siya this month until February. Tapos the super lovely, Chinese staff here in the hotel. So my heart is so full, 'di ba? Nag-i-English yung staff, so hindi tayo nahirapan. Although kung hindi man nag-i-English yung staff, guys, it's okay. Makakaintindihan din kayo with the use of Google Translate or translation apps. Grabe to, nagwawala. Ayan. Tapos, ilababas na tayo. So, yun. Tapos again, nabook natin to ng mga around 1,000 1,000 pesos per night. So, pwede niyong i-check guys kasi the price may vary. So guys, here from Shanghai, it's our last day. Uwi na tayo. This is Dave the Kuripang Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!